Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. By the thumbnail you guys have already guessed, so the date that we were waiting for has finally arrived and this video is going to be all about that. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. I will try keeping it short, but make sure you watch it till the end. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon so that you guys get regular updates of whenever I upload any new video. I promise to be a great college mentor for you. So any information that you read regarding best colleges, campus tours, preparation, everything will be on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and at the same time, don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family members. Without any further ado, let's get started. So yes guys, finally Christ University has opened up its application forms for the year 2023-2024 and I know I had said this before, but then they did not upload it. But then I had also said that it will open up on 20th and it still did not get uploaded on 20th. So I'm sorry for that confusion. I mean, I get the information that I get, but I'm pretty sure there must be some of the other technical glitches that were happening for the process to be ready. And now finally it's open. As you could see here on the university's website, it is mentioned that all the application forms for UG and PG are now finally open. So congratulations guys. But at the same time, there is multiple queries that I've gotten ever since the forms have opened up. That's why I'm not going to make this video very long. This video is just to let you know that see, Christ University forms are opened up. They've opened up on 21st of Jan, which is today, and they are going to remain open till April end. So we have time, but there are multiple things that I want to discuss with you people. Firstly is the UG guidelines and the new education policy. A lot of the courses that people were preparing with me for are not even going to be continued for the year 2023 because of some huge change that has come about. At the same time, there are some courses that have changed their names, but inherently they are just the same. So I will be making separate videos about all of those things. So do not worry about it. In fact, I don't even want to tell you to fill in the form today itself. And I would want you to wait for a couple of days till I upload all those videos. First and foremost is definitely going to be about how you need to fill in the application form of Christ University. I'll upload that next, and after that I will start giving you descriptions to each and every course, at least each and every department. Other than that, you guys are free to see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. I will put down the link in the description below, and if you have started preparing, then you automatically would be seeing me for an interview preparation 101 and decoding micro presentation session. So guys, as you could see here, it is showing apply, and this is where you have to go and apply. I will put down the link in the description below. 21st of Jan, it's today, and 30th of April is the last day, and it is the same for all the courses at Christ across all the campuses, whether it's Pune Lavasa campus or Delhi NCR campus or Kengeri, Yashwantpur, Bannerghatta Central campus, it's all the same. So yeah, they have opened it up, and wait for my future videos guys. I did not want to bombard you with a lot of information in this particular video itself. All I was just here to tell you was that the forms have opened up, and brace yourself because the winter is coming. I'll see you super soon guys. Let's get started, and hope you guys make it to your dream colleges, whichever that is. I'll help you and guide you through in and out of it. Make sure you comment below if you have any doubts, question, queries. See me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session, interview preparation 101, decoding micro presentation session. And yes, I'll see you super soon again. Take care guys. Bye bye.